In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add contacts and make them favorites, or to unfavorite them on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the Contacts app. Then, on your list of contacts, tap on one you'd like to add to your favorites section. So let me select that. And here, you should see the small option bar. So select favorite. And if you scroll up on the left panel, you should notice under the favorites section, your selected contact. If you want to remove it, simply go back to the same contact and tap on the star again to remove it. Alternatively, you can also come to the favorites section. And here, you should see the option Add Your Favorite Contacts. Tap on that. A list will appear, so you can select several contacts. And then, once you're satisfied with how many you've selected, you can tap on Done. Then a list of the selected contacts will appear under the Favorites section. If you want to remove them, just tap on the contact again and tap on the star icon to remove them from favorites. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.